Nanawagan ng ilang private organizations sa kanilang hanay na dapat ring tumulong sa pamahalaan upang maiangat ang buhay ng ating mga kababayan. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami George Bandola.
Tiwala pa rin ang mga private foundations na tinutugunan ng pamahalaan ang problema ng kahirapan, pero nanawagan naman itong kailangan din ng tulong ng mga pribadong organisasyon para tuluyang maiangat ang mga mahihirap na pamilya. Sabi ni Barry Stowe ng Prudence Foundation, sisimulan nila sa pagkakaloob ng 100 milyong pisong pondo para tugunan ang kahirapan sa pamagitan ng anti-disaster program sa mga pinakamahihirap na probinsya sa loob ng 3 taon.
The programs we announced today under the auspices of the Prudence Foundation will be targeted towards lower income communities, including this 30% who are amongst the poorest in the country. And what it does is it provides really important long-term assistance because it helps educate children and helps others how to further develop their children so that they do better in school, and in the long term their opportunities to be lifted out of poverty are much improved. We think that's extremely important work.
Naniniwala rin ang Plan Philippines na maiibsan ang kahirapan kung uunahin ang pagkalinga sa mga bata mula sa kanilang kalusugan hanggang edukasyon ang kailangang pagtuunan ng pamahalaan.
Every year that you educate a girl child longer, her earning capacity later in life will increase significantly, between 15 and 25%. So we just know that the way to lift communities out of poverty has to do with education and providing people with the skills that they need to be competitive in the labor market.
Pinuri naman ng Save the Children Foundation ang ginagawa ng pamahalaan para maibsan ang kahirapan, lalo na sa mga programang Conditional Cash Transfer Program o Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino.
The local government has a really important role to play in this project. I think, supporting us with having a venue and really carrying this on, taking this to heart and really realizing the potential of children if you make them develop properly. There's also the law of the ECCD, Early Childhood Care and Development, and we would love to see the local government and state council in each barangay on that.
Nagkaisa ang mga private foundation na simulan ang kampanya laban sa matinding resulta ng mga kalamidad at kahirapan sa bansa. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.